Today we're going to peen some rivets. We'll forge out a texture handle. We'll add texture to a pan blank, put it all together and make an heirloom quality carbon pan from HouseMade. We have the 11-inch carbon steel pan already pressed into shape. You can buy this separately for $59. You can get the handle cut out, rivet holes drilled out, ready to be textured and forged for $21. You can also buy the copper rivets, the set of 3, for $8. And you can also get the entire kit. This comes with the pan, the handle, and the rivets, but it also comes with the template to drill out your holes, the swage block and hardy tool to be able to add all your texturing, as well as the hardy block to attach it. All this together, $188. Welcome back to the Art of Craftsmanship. My name's Dustin, and Brian House and the team from HouseMade, longtime friends of the channel, sent us this pan kit. They've done all the hard work, a lot of the hard work in making a kit like this. Now, shaping the pan and getting it really accurate and nice flat bottom, that's really tough to do in a shop. So they've done that in their shop using their press to press out that form. They've also made a really nice swage block which matches that form to be able to help in all of your texturing and shaping the handle. They sent over the handle, the rivets, a really nice template to drill out your rivet holes as well. And all these things have come together just to make a really nice pan kit that you can do in shop with kind of normal shop tools, maybe some specialized tools, but you can get away with lots of different variations of tools to put together this really cool kit. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is grind off all the sharp corners on the metal. I'm going to be making a hole in the end of the handle so that way I can hang this up on the pot rack in my kitchen. Running out of propane, so I'm going to flip around to the other side while I still have gas and work on fitting the end of the handle using the swage block to fit that to the pan. The kit comes with the swage block and the mounting plate, and I welded the swage block onto the mounting plate. You can also weld on a block to use it as a hardy directly on your anvil, but I'm going to screw it down because it has some holes in it. Screw it down to my stump right on the edge. Well, the other two held. I'm going to shake it one more time to get some more. Pretty good. That's attached like that. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. I like that angle. I think maybe just a little more bend. Yep, I'm going to leave it there. I like that. If I hit it again, I'll probably end up doing a double hit. That looks pretty good. Nice. Well, the texturing came out really nice. It took me about an hour and a half or so to finish up the handle and then also do the inside of the pan. And I just took my time, made sure I had a really nice, even coating all the way around. I was listening to an audiobook and just worked my way all the way around it and came out with a really nice look. Nice as well is that using that swage block, I actually got a really nice hammer texture on the outside of the pan as well. So it kind of matches nicely on the outside and the inside. So I'm going to be using the 3D printed drilling guide. I'll get that ready. Mark those holes, and then I'll drill those holes out, and we'll finish up by attaching the handle to the pan. Yeah, got there. All right, that's the middle. See, that looks too big. That looks better. So I think it's just the one above, 17/64. Let's try that. I was warned, Brian mentioned in his video, that this can be the finicky bit of getting all of your rivets to line up. So I've got two that are lining up really well and one that doesn't want to line up. So I'll try to get that one back out and see what we can do. So that one is off. These two are in. That was it. So I just used slightly the neck size up in drill bit, reamed it out a little bit, and all three of them now fit in really nicely. Okay, now go back out to the smithy and we peen them. Sitting here finishing up these rivets and thinking about how easy this project was and how much fun it was. It's really just like doing some blacksmithing, doing some forging, doing some texturing, peening over. This is great. All right, guys, well, this was really fun, really easy, just a great way to get into the shop and make something. Spend some time in the smithy. Brian, again, like I said, kind of does all the hard work, pressing these forms for you, but he sells these as kits on his website and encourages you to pick them up, make some for yourself, make them for friends, and then buy extras and make them and sell them. He's really encouraging people to get out into the shop and make stuff. That's what his kind of goal is all about. Now, this one is for my wife for Christmas, so Merry Christmas, Nicole. This project's so easy that even Devin, my brother behind the camera, he's going to make one for his wife. So we're going to start that now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.